This is called the Rua Tre dos Jardins de Cheoc. So I guess it's like 3 streets of Cheoc Gardens. This is what it looks like. Kind of cool, and we're actually pretty close to the waterway as well. So I'm going to show that to you. I'm not going to show you exactly where we are. We're on the water between 2 beaches. So we'll come back, and then I'm going to do one from the boat that I can see, and then I'm here personally my first time. So let's come right back. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so you probably saw that other picture, and then this is what I can see, and I'm like right in it now. So these are all these beautiful houses, and we're just gonna walk up the street a little bit because I want to show you the view, but I wanted to also get the street sign too before I got going. The street sign, at least you could put it into Google Maps and you can see for yourself exactly what it looks like. But as you can see, it looks like this. Swimming pool right there too. I guess that's for the whole community. So yeah, I was on the boat, and over there is Haksa Cheoc Beach, and then Haksa Beach would be behind me the other way. But we're just gonna go up this waterway a little bit and just take a look at these houses. It's amazing. You got these beautiful views like that. It's supposed to be the nicest place in Macau to live. There's some pretty nice places, but this has got to be the best one. It's just unbelievable. Probably for sale. I wonder what it would cost to rent a place like in here. So we're gonna keep on walking up a little bit, try to get more of a view. Yeah, look at those houses. They all have these amazing balconies like that. So every day they would just wake up and look at this. So you see, and this actually goes around in a circle like that. So I just want to capture some of the ocean from this view. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. That's amazing. So I guess we should just walk back down a little bit, and then I think I'll come over to this side. Yeah, this is unbelievable. I've never been here. I've been in Macau for 8 years, but I've never been to this spot before. I've been by it before on the main road. Going to the beaches. I just didn't know there was anything here to see. Yeah, it looks really nice. So we're just gonna walk down it a little bit, and then yeah, you can see the ocean right there. Not sure exactly what all we can see here. It looks like it's basically all residential, so it goes all the way up into the hill, so you can see a couple of different layers from up top and from up here too. Parking garages, apartments. I think what I'll do is I'll kind of walk down towards this community center, I think. I'm not sure exactly the best focus for this one. It looks like I can. It looks like there's a let's see what that says. Oh, private area, no entry. So looks like you can't quite go in there, but we can still go out here to see what we can see over here. Yeah, it's looks quite exclusive. Let's just take a look up here. Now you can see a swimming pool, then you can see the ocean that way too. So let's go down a little bit further. Yeah, you just got all these houses up here. Dang, it's really beautiful. And there's the swimming pool. Go down a little bit further. Okay, so that's one of the waterways. It looks like you can go down, kind of follow along a little bit. So let's just go down a little bit and just see where we go. I'll just go around the side there. Looks like there's a park at the end. But yeah, this goes right out into the ocean of open sea. But I guess you have this nice little breakwater. What's that thing? It's like some kind of big. Oh, this looks like a floating device with a rope that's around it. Anyways, Now we're all the way down there. And I guess we could go all the way down as well, since there seems to be a park in that way. So let's just keep on walking down it. But yeah, this is an amazing little area. And I guess there's several different streets, so the street we're on is just one of them, called the Tre Street. So I don't know, I might even try to do a few other ones of the others too. I've just never been in here before. Oh, okay. So this is some way to jump into that, right? The railing is all the way to the sides. Oh, and then there's a, okay, so we'll have to, I guess you're not supposed to come on this way anyway, so we'll just go around like that. Another giant thing. So yeah, again, we'll just go down a little bit further. I've never been in here. I don't know this was here. I don't even know if I have the rights to be here. I mean, I didn't see a sign. Yeah, here's this break wall. Dang. So yeah, there's a break wall right there. You can, oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. There's a break wall and then there's all these rocks right here. So, huh, so you could go, oh, okay. Now I know where we are. I know exactly where we are. That's the coastal trail. So you can take that coastal trail all the way to Haksa. So it looks like that coastal trail ends right here. So yeah, that coastal trail, I've taken some videos of the coastal trail before. I haven't walked all the way down it, but it looks like you can walk. There's a trail going up there, and then it'll go down, follow, and it goes all the way down the waterway, down that way. So, okay. So hopefully that's kind of interesting. It's pretty interesting for me. So we'll kind of fade back into this area. Detail stuff. Another one too. I got this one too. This one overlooks the ocean. And look at all the money in there. So there's a bunch of money in there as well. I mean, for those that don't live in Macau, those are just like a American penny or a centavo, I guess you call it in Latin languages. The centavo, I think, is just like a 1/100th of a peso. Okay, let's walk up these steps. And then we can see there's another road up there, so this might be the focus of this road, the one that we're on. And this is kind of the lowest one. So yeah, pretty cool. Just never been up here before. So yeah, it's real nice. There are people here taking pictures, so I'm not the only one, so maybe I'm not, I wasn't sure if I was trespassing or if I had any rights to be here or not. But it looks like I see people with cameras, and here's some scaffolding here. And there's that same sign again, so we're still in the same street. Rua Tre, Jardins de Cheoc. Trace is 3, so I'm gonna guess there must be 2 other layers here as well. And I think what we'll do is we'll just keep walking back a little bit, and I'll turn it off. And then I might try to see if I can get to a Deutsch or a Okay, so anyways, this is overlooking the ocean right here. And I think we're gonna end it when we get near the pool again. And then we'll overlook that spot with that shade right there. It's perfect. There we go. So you can see this whole ocean, and then oh, that woman's walking out on the break wall. There's all the rocks to the left, so I guess it's fine. And these are the kind of apartments that are around here. So pretty cool. Hope you like that one. Whoa, look at this. Dang. Didn't expect that.